welcome back, kindergarten. So we are going to be doing a new drawing this week, and we're going to be using some of the same skills we learned last week, except we're going to add something a little bit different here. We're going to be doing a river scene for our drawing this week, but we're still going to use some of those same ideas that we used from last week with our linear perspective. Okay, and so we're going to start off our drawing yet again. In the center of your drawing is fine, or a little bit up, you decide. Okay, and we're going to make our horizontal line directly across of our paper, just like that. Okay, and then we're going to put a dot somewhere on that line. Now, I'm not going to put mine right in the middle this time. I want mine to be off to the side. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to make our lines come across. Okay. And so this is similar to the road, but slightly different. It's the same technique. Okay, we're going to make it come over here. And then make it come over here like this. Okay. And so it has that same effect of the road. Okay. But now what we're going to do is, instead of do a road, we're going to turn it into a river. And so what you're going to do is make this line kind of bumpy, go back and forth. Okay, and I'm going to make mine do some turns back and forth as it goes all the way back. Okay, same thing on this side. We're going to make it bumpy. Okay, when we get to here, we're going to make it do some turns as it goes back into our vanishing point, into nothing. Okay, and so now what you're going to do is you're going to take your eraser, you're going to erase those straight lines. Okay, and then we've got what looks like a realistic river coming down. And it uses that same idea of perspective to make it look like the river goes from really big where we are in front and it gets smaller as it goes back. Okay, and then after that, you can draw whatever you like. Do you want a whole forest next to your river? You can draw a whole forest here. Do you want some mountains in the background? What about some big rocks next to the riverbed? Do you want fish in your river? It's totally up to you now. You decide. Okay? And so, yet again, that's another way that you can use linear perspective, okay? And to make a river, to make it look realistic, like we're really near the river, and then it goes back into the distance and gets smaller and smaller and smaller. All right, students, so give this a try. Very simple way to make a river and to make it look accurate. All right, so give this a try, color it all in, and let's see some really cool river landscape pictures. Have a wonderful week.